Hi everyone, I am Vidya. Welcome back to my channel Vidya Ka Gyan. Today we are going to speak about watermelon. Watermelon was originated in South Africa. It comes in diverse varieties such as sweet, bland and bitter. Each part of watermelon is edible. So now let's get started with the video. Aids digestion. Watermelon as we have seen contain huge amount of water and hence aid digestion. It also contains fiber, thus promoting digestion and preventing constipation. Prevent asthma. Being one of the key antioxidant, lycopene helps with the body reaction to cold and flu. Adequate intake of lycopene and vitamin A could be beneficial for asthmatic patient. Improve skin and hair health. Watermelon is the good source of vitamin C, the nutrient that is essential for collagen synthesis. Collagen helps your skin supple and strengthen your hair. The vitamin A in watermelon is another important nutrient that contributes to skin health. It repairs and creates new skin cell. Without the nutrients, your skin would appear dull and flaky. Improves bone health. Vitamin C play a major role here as a nutrient is good for bone and aids wound healing. Vitamin A in watermelon has been linked to bone growth. Strength immunity. Watermelon being rich in vitamin C strengthen the body immune system. The fruit also contain vitamin B6 that helps the immune system produce antibodies. The vitamin also aids the formation of red blood cell. The fruit has vitamin A that regulate the immune system and protects it from infection. Can prevent cell damage. Watermelon being rich in lycopene protects the cell from damage associated with heart disease. Lycopene fights the free radicals and prevent the cell damage. Keeps your heart healthy. Having a slice of watermelon every day can halt the accumulation of bad cholesterol, thereby preventing heart disease. Regular consumption of watermelon has also been linked to fewer fatty deposit inside the blood vessel. Keeps you hydrated. Watermelon is 90% water, making it one of the best source of hydration. Reveals muscle soreness. The fruit is packed with electrolytes and amino acid which helps soothe sore muscle after a heavy workout. Drinking watermelon juice can also help your muscle receive more oxygen. Boost energy level. Watermelon is good source of vitamin B which is responsible for energy production in your body. The fruit is low in calories and high in energy and it can help you stay active for the better part of the day. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram.